Today we're going to be making halved chickens on the smoker, but first we need to get them in half. So what I got here is just your standard everyday run-of-the-mill chicken from Walmart. Nothing surprising. Got to pull out the fun stuff and the innards. No big deal. We got the tail, we have the neck. What we're going to do is take our shears and run straight down through on both sides of the backbone. There's one side. Do the other side. Try not to cut yourself. And then if you want to just do a spatchcock, find that center part of the breastbone, give it a little chop, flip her over. Now you've got a spatchcock chicken. So now what we're going to do is we're going to find our bone here in the center because we don't want it spatchcocked. It's too hard to handle. And we're going to come straight down through that bone. Now we have two half chickens. Clean up some of that extra skin. And I'm going to take and put these on a rack on a sheet pan to put into the refrigerator with a little salt on them. Try and draw some of that moisture out of the skin so we have more of a crispy skin, and see how that turns out. So that's as easy as it is.